Ethiopia, the only African nation never colonized, land of kings, mountains, and miracles. Today, this ancient nation is soaring into the future. On wings, it built itself. This is the story of a drone revolution born in Africa's highlands. In March 2025, Ethiopia launched something historic. Skywing Aeronautics, a $50 million drone factory, opened its gates in Addis Ababa. Its mission? Build 1,000 drones every year. For defense, for agriculture, for Africa. These aren't imported machines. They are homegrown, equipped with artificial intelligence, surveillance tech, and counter-drone systems. Made by Ethiopians for Ethiopians. Ethiopia is no longer buying its security. It's building it. Skywing has already created over 500 jobs, and it's just the beginning. Thousands more jobs are emerging in logistics, tech, and engineering. Ethiopia is stepping into a $43 billion global drone market. From Addis to Abuja, African nations are starting to take notice. This isn't just a factory. It's a signal. Africa is done waiting. This drone revolution stands on a strong foundation. Over the last 2 decades, Ethiopia has invested in itself. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, railways to Djibouti, modern highways, a growing power grid, and reforms that pushed GDP growth to 8.1% in 2023. Ethiopia didn't rise overnight. It planned, it built, and now it flies. In Addis Ababa, change is everywhere. New metro lines, tech parks, green spaces, and startups lighting up the city. It's not just the political capital of Africa, it's becoming its innovation hub. Across the continent, eyes are turning toward Ethiopia. Skywing fits into a larger movement. Africa investing in its own tech future. From Google's billion-dollar investment in digital infrastructure to Africa's push for AI and cybersecurity, the pieces are coming together, and Ethiopia is leading by example. Self-reliance, sovereignty, pride. From ancient Axum to Skywing Aeronautics, Ethiopia has always forged its own path. It never bowed, and it never will. This drone revolution is not just about machines in the sky. It's about a mindset, a future not imported but built. And for Africa, that future starts now. Final line, delivered slowly and powerfully. The power to shape destiny lies within. Subscribe for more stories of African innovation. Africa is rising. Don't miss the journey.